Have you ever noticed gutters pulling away from a home or sagging in the middle? In many cases, the problem starts with how those gutters were originally installed. For decades, contractors attached gutters using long metal spikes that are hammered directly through the gutter and into the fascia board behind it. While this method was common years ago, it's one that we simply don't use at the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. Here's why. Every time a spike is driven through a gutter, it creates a penetration point in the system. Over time, those holes can loosen, and as the wooden fascia behind the gutter is exposed to moisture and weather, it can begin to deteriorate. Gutters begin to sag, pull away from the home, and struggle to handle the weight of heavy rain, debris, and even snow. Instead of relying on outdated spikes, we install gutters using heavy-duty internal hangers paired with oversized screws. These hangers are hidden inside the gutter, creating a cleaner appearance while providing significantly more holding power. The oversized screws fasten the gutter system to the home, creating a strong, flush fit that's designed to stay in place for years to come. This installation method allows your gutter to handle substantial water weight during heavy storms without pulling away from the house or compromising the integrity of your home's exterior. It seems like a small detail, but the hardware used to install your gutters can make a huge difference in their performance and lifespan. That's why we don't cut corners with outdated installation methods. At the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, we believe your gutter system should be built to last from day one. If you're dealing with sagging gutters or considering a new gutter installation, contact us for a free estimate by visiting brothersgutters.com today.